Hello, my name is PC Hughes. I am a school community police officer and it is my job to help keep children and young people safe. One of the ways in which I do this is by visiting them in their schools to deliver inputs that focus on behaviour, substance misuse and staying safe both on and offline. One of the topics I speak to young people about is being knife-free and staying safe from violent crime. It is important that young people know what the law is about knives and bladed weapons, understand that it is a myth that they are safer if they choose to carry a knife, know what to do if they know of someone who is carrying a knife, and choose to live knife-free. The law says it is illegal to sell a knife to anyone under 18 unless it has a folding blade of 3 inches, that is 7.6 centimetres or less. For example, a Swiss Army penknife. It is illegal to carry a knife in public without good reason, such as a chef carrying his knives to work, unless it has a folding blade of 3 inches or less. It is against the law to carry, buy or sell any type of banned knife or use any knife in a threatening way. This includes knives under 3 inches. The good news is that most young people do not carry knives. Amongst the small percentage of those who do, they claim that they do so for personal protection. Therefore, one of the reasons commonly given for carrying a knife is for protection or to make oneself feel safer. Being safer when carrying a knife is, however, a myth. A young person is actually less safe if they are carrying a knife. Statistics show that carrying a knife makes a young person vulnerable, as it may be used against them. Relying on a knife to protect themselves means they are not planning how to best keep safe. If a young person chooses to carry a knife, they are more likely to be attacked or threatened by others who also choose to carry a knife. Be injured or worse by their own knife, injure or even kill another with their knife, injure bystanders if a fight happens and a knife is being used, and be arrested by the police. We all want to feel safe in our communities. This is why young people need to be encouraged to speak up if they know of anyone who may be choosing to carry a knife. It is everyone's responsibility to help keep our communities safe. One way we can do this is to report someone who may be carrying a knife or any other weapon. Young people can report any crime, including someone carrying a knife, to Fearless, an online app that allows a young person to make a report 100% anonymously. If you are worried that your child might be at risk because they are choosing to carry a knife, you can get help and support from your local authority's early help team in your local authority. Alternatively, you can contact the NSPCC for advice on help@nspcc.org.uk. In an emergency, please dial 999. If you are a professional and you would like to have a resource to help open up a discussion on the topic of knife crime with young people, please go to www.schoolbeat.cymru and click on the Partners tab. Next, click the Are You Fearless tab to find Jamie's story on Schoolbeat. Are You Fearless for Jamie's story? Thank you for listening. Diolch am wrando.